Okay, here we go. This is a variation of the infinity filter for, well, it was primarily made for the limelight and flares on the hot springs, but you can use this on other hot tub models as well. But you can actually see it's actually got a 3-inch hole in the bottom that will go over the standpipe and everything around it. There is we do have an adapter that will go down to 2-inch on the bottom. You may need that for another brand, but I don't think you'll need it on any of the hot springs. But you would just set this down on your standpipe or whatever you got, and then the filter would go kind of on top of that. It would just go down there. Okay, so for the hot springs here, found actually this, they got basically 2 lengths of standpipes. The standard one is like 8.5 inches roughly, and then they also have 12.5 inch, which seems to be on the dual filter setups that they have. Anyway, so to get this to work, because it's basically on those 2 types, whether it be the larger single filter or the dual filter system, the standpipes do not, they're actually glued in, so they will not come out. Anyway, so on this, and so thank you to everyone that helped with this variation. I know it was a little bit frustrating, but anyway, we got it to still work with the our filter pouches, and we'll bring that up a little bit so you got that in there. And then we got this ring, and there's a groove part which can go down, and it rests on there. So then in most cases there, you would just put that on, and then you've got your cap there. Now we do have some spacers. Okay, this one's not going to fit exactly right because we had to kind of put our own bottom together here so that it would we could stand it up. But normally this would just go flush with here. But we do have spacers for the little standpipe cap. Which would go on like that, and then would then go on. But for those with the longer 12-inch or 12.5 inch roughly standpipe, we have this spacer here. You can see there's like a little groove around here. It fits right on there, and then the cap goes right, kind of fits right inside there. So you can just tighten that down and you're good to go.